Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. I did get a request for a TA on Tesla, so I'll be doing that really quickly. It's going to be very short because I don't need to do too much TA on Tesla. The very easy thing that can happen here, there's only two things that can happen, honestly. And because you did reject from this trend, obviously, I think you can push up a little bit higher back to this trend at 194. But I think either way, I think it's very easy short here down to possibly about, I don't know, somewhere maybe like a 179, 180 again. It does look like you'll probably go like this, maybe pop back up like this, or you can more than likely just pop all the way up to 212. So I'm guessing right here, if you do break this trend and you start building some candles up here at this like 197 level, I would take this all the way back to around 212. But me personally, I would take the short all day long just because you had that rejection. Again, you do have a lot of triggers on the bull side on the higher time frame, but on the shorter time frame, you are starting to look a little bit weak on Tesla. And even I wouldn't be surprised if you close like an hour bear trigger. Yeah, you just close it. So would not be surprised if you come all the way back down, possibly to 184 or even lower to 171. Generally back to this trend, right? So again, I'd probably short this easy short all the way down to trend here at 173. Maybe put your stops at like 200, like $200 and like 50 cents maybe to give it some wiggle room. But again, easy short down to 173, 174, and then probably another easy long here as long as you have a solid trigger to the upside again, right? You hit trend, you were already in a 4-hour bull trigger, easy long. Came back down to trend and support. I had another bull trigger here at 172, easy long to this trend at 195. So my guess is because you already closed that 1-hour trigger, right? You're on trend, you rejected. This will probably go down to 183, probably lower back to trend to like 170, 170 something. And that's what I'm looking for. So if you guys made it this far, feel free to join the Patreon at www.patreon.com/ButI'mNotATrader. It's currently sitting at $10 a month. Everything's going to be migrated to my own website where it will be $750 as a one-time payment. So if you want to be grandfathered in, it's more of a cost opportunity for you guys. Highly recommend it. Everybody, we have a smaller community, but there's a lot of money that's traded within our community within the Patreon and the chat. I like to think as far as like accuracy rate and successful traders, we don't have like, I don't have like 1,000, 10,000 people in my like Patreon, but we probably, all together have probably way more, like, our community's probably a lot more successful and trades with a lot more money than with all these bigger communities and stuff. And that's something that I've noticed, right? While we only have, I think there's like 100 people in my Patreon right now. We only have about, everybody seems to be a really big trader, which I love, right? We're not trading hundreds of dollars, right? We're dealing with hundreds of thousands now, which is pretty insane. Tens of thousands per day, hundreds of thousands. So our trading community is, financially a lot bigger than other ones, and it's a lot smaller, right? It's more private, which I do like. And I love the fact that we're all interacting, communicate. So if you want to join, definitely recommend it. A lot of extremely successful people on there that not only help you out with trading, but a lot of other stuff. But, really good place to learn. Really good place to just like talk to people and stuff and, understand what investing as a whole really is and what trading really is, right? So again, Tesla, I personally was short this whole level back to trend. Very easy short to me. If you want to buy like puts or whatever, like a month out or something to be safe. Again, your own money, do whatever you want. Join the Patreon, www.patreon.com/ButI'mNotATrader. Everything's going to be migrated over eventually to $750 for a one-time payment as opposed to $10 now. So I highly recommend for people to get grandfathered in. So with that being said, have a great day. I will see you guys later, and I'll probably see you guys on the next video tomorrow. Bye-bye.